Hi guys, this is Lucy from CJdropshipping. Today I'd like to introduce automatic connection feature for you in this video. Connect products allows data to flow from products in CJ or to your store so that your products are updated with the description and other essential information. The most important is that you don't need to revise your product listing in your store. There are two ways to connect: automatic connection and sourcing connection. Let's start with automatic connection. Okay, first step, click My CJ, Products, and enter Connection. Select Automatic Connection. Choose the store you had authorized and sync. You can search the product by searching product name both in your store and CJ. Let's take office pillow for example. Then click Pin and connect. You can connect the variants you want. Then shipping method. Let's select CJ package and confirm. So the connection has been finished. If your product name of your store matches CJ's products, click Match is the fastest way to get all product information from CJ, but sometimes it will not work well. So here we recommend you to use search image to connect. Select this one, Connect, and maybe the product with the same price or price is lower than your store. Connect them by clicking them one by one. Okay, and select shipping method and confirm. After confirm, you can go to connection to make sure the product is exactly connected. And you can also use a sourcing connection if you want to connect the product sourced success in CJ. Now follow my steps. The left part is the products from sourcing, the right part is products from your store. The steps are almost as same as automatic connection. Okay, let's start. Let's enter the first step, choose the store and sync. Search the products with product name both in your store and CJ sourcing. Choose the CJ products and the same products in your store you want to connect. Let's take these products for example. Pin and click Connect. Choose the variants available in the sourcing products. You can connect the products with several variants to your store's products. Choose the shipping method and confirm. Let's select CJ package and confirm. Click here to make sure your connection is successful. Okay, the above is all about how to connect your store product with CJ's. Hope the connection between your store products and CJ's will bring more convenience to you and help to develop your progress business. CJ will always provide good products and perfect services to you. Thank you for watching.